All right, I have a pack here of 24 soft close cabinet hinges. These are super high quality. Great to install if you're sick of your kitchen cupboards. Oh, these are really, really high quality. If you're sick of your kitchen cupboards slamming shut in the morning, at night, babies are trying to sleep, these are a great addition to your upgraded kitchen. Like I said, soft close. Here's 24 cabinet bumpers. And then there's these screws. I think there's 132 screws in this package, as well as 6 of these hinge repair plates. It's a really great package. This is a great upgrade for your kitchen or bathroom or any kind of cabinets that need a little bit of a softer close to them. It's a great product. You're going to love it.